And rather unfortunate news that came in from Maharashtra today. 10 people were killed after a fire broke out at a hospital in Mumbai city. The Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has promised strict action against those at fault and also announced 5 lakh compensation amount. The cause of the fire is still not known. Here's more.
At least 9 COVID patients killed, around 70 patients rescued. A tragic incident in a city battling its worst COVID surge ever. It was past midnight when this fire broke out at the Sunrise Hospital in the Dreams Mall in Mumbai's Bhandup area. 24 fire engines, 15 water tankers and ambulances were rushed to the spot.
Even after 8 hours of relief and rescue operation, the fire has not been doused. As per the BMC data, this is a ground plus 3-story structure which has a dedicated hospital on the 3rd floor. And at the time of incident, around 76 patients were present, some of whom were also present in the ICU.
After initially denying any casualties, the Sunrise Hospital, a COVID center, admitted that some patients were missing following the incident. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has sought forgiveness from the families of those who lost their lives.
अगर इसमें कुछ किसी की गलती होगी या कुछ भी अनदेखी होगी तो कार्रवाई जरूर होगी, लेकिन फिलहाल जिन लोगों का मृत्यु हुआ है सारे परिवार की मैं क्षमा मांगता हूं.
5 lakh rupees in compensation has been announced for the families of the deceased. Officials have not yet confirmed the cause of the fire.
हम पुलिस की तरफ से ये जो 10 डेथ हुई है फायर में, उसके लिए हम गुनाह दाखिल करेंगे और इस गुने का तपास होगा कि जो इसमें रिस्पांसिबल होगा उनके ऊपर FIR होगा.
The former Maharashtra Chief Minister has trashed the government for not ordering a timely fire audit on the structure.
BMC का प्रशासन भ्रष्टाचार से इतना ज्यादा सड़ चुका है कि वहां से कार्रवाई होगी ऐसा लगता नहीं. मैं तो मानता हूं माननीय हाई कोर्ट ने खुद इसका संज्ञान लेना चाहिए. इसकी कमेटी हाई कोर्ट ने तैयार करनी चाहिए और उसके अंतर्गत इस पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए.
This heart-rending disaster in Maharashtra amidst a record surge in daily COVID-19 cases, breaking the 35,000 barrier on Thursday, the highest since the outbreak. An investigation has been launched to determine the cause of the fire.
It took more than 15 hours for the Mumbai Fire Brigade to control the fire at this mall. Many shop owners accept that the firefighting systems were just not in place. While the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has blamed the government and said that no lessons were learned from the Bhandara fire episode, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, has now said that fire safety system at all the makeshift hospitals like this one needs to be in place. With camera person Sachin Sawant, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.